Hello everyone! Look at this. Here's my bed, here's my dresser, and then there's just this blank space here. And you see I have a book here. I like to keep the book I'm currently reading next to my bed. So I had an idea. What if my book could stop taking up dresser space and instead be stored in this empty space? So today we're making something that does just that. First thing you're going to need is a standard 3-ring binder. Actually, it doesn't even have to have 3 rings because the first thing we're going to do is remove those rings. I'm not sure what the best way to do this is, but I did it with a hammer and it worked surprisingly well. And if you were ever wondering how the rings are attached, this is how. Next, we're going to cut off the pockets and the clear outer plastic. Then you're going to want to cut off about 3 inches from one flap of the binder. Once that's done, mark a line a ½ inch away from the edge on what was the top and bottom of the binder. Then make 3 evenly spaced marks along each edge of the shorter flap of the binder and copy those marks onto the longer half. Take an awl or some other tool, I'm using a screwdriver, and make holes where each of your marks are. These holes will help us hold the binder in a pocket shape. Also punch 2 holes on the outer edge of the longer flap as well. These holes will help us hang the binder later. Get yourself a piece of fabric that you like and cut out a piece slightly bigger than your binder. Hot glue the fabric all around the binder, and if you like, cut a smaller piece to glue to the inside of the binder as well. Pierce holes through the fabric to match up with the holes we punched before, and string twine or ribbon through the holes. You want to leave as much room between the flaps as the binder originally had. I used a 2-inch binder, so I left 2 inches of room. You can then string twine through the 2 holes in the longer flap and hang up your creation using hooks. And here's the finished project. It holds my book and notebook nicely and frees up space in my dresser. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!